Hey Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So the episode we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a doormat that you can use indoor or outdoor. And you see the one that we got right here is from this brand. And you see on the package right here, they do provide some specs and feature about the product. So they mention how the product is non-slip, waterproof, washable, and you do have the option to use it indoor or outdoor like I mentioned. So first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. So first thing inside right here, they do provide a little piece of paper. If you guys turn to the back, they do provide some specs and feature about the product. So they mention how the product absorbs moisture, dirt, easy to clean, anti-slip, stain resistant, is thin, and also machine washable. And if you guys do take out the mat, here is basically what the product looks like. So it's all folded up. But once you guys do open it up, here is basically what the product looks like. So you can see the one that we got right here is like a gray color. They do have this available in many other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. In terms of the size that I got right here is a 24 by 36. They do have this available in a bigger or smaller size as well. So you probably want to do your own measurement to see how big or how small you guys need for your doorway. But here's what the product looks like from the front. If you guys turn to the back, here's what the back part looks like. So by bringing it up close, you can definitely see that they do have like the non-slip material on here. So that way when you guys do put it on the floor, it won't move around. And that way the product will stay where it's at when you guys do set it up. And you guys can see the way how to design the mat is actually pretty thin. So depending on how big the gap is underneath your door, it might be able to go through this. But if you guys turn to the other side, you can definitely see the material that's on here definitely looks and feels pretty nice. It actually feels really soft when you guys do feel it. And like I mentioned, the way how to design it, it does help you guys like absorb like moisture and dirt. So that way when you guys do put a shoe on top, that won't be an issue as well. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually put this down on the ground and show you guys what the product looks like when you guys do set it up. And I'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so you can see once we put the doormat on the floor, here is basically what the product looks like. And when you guys do try to move the mat, it won't move because of the non-slip material that's in the bottom, which is pretty cool. Like I mentioned, for certain doors, if there's like a big enough gap, you do have the option to open the door, just like this. And it just glides through so easy underneath it. If you guys close it back, it just works so well. And you guys can see the actual coverage of the actual doormat, it gives you guys a pretty good coverage. So once you guys do come in, you can definitely put your shoes on here to keep like your floor all clean. But here is basically what the product looks like when you guys do set it up. Very easy and very simple to set it up. And if you can see, it definitely looks pretty nice. Alright, I'm back guys. So now this software test, the product definitely actually does work, actually works quite well. If you can see the one that I got right here, it fits perfectly for the door that I do have. So I don't want to get anything bigger or smaller because it is a perfect size. But the way how they design the product is actually pretty cool. Even though they mention how the product works as an indoor-outdoor doormat, you probably could even use this for like a shower mat or something because of the material that's on here. It absorbs water and moisture. But I do feel like one of the coolest things about the product is the fact that you guys can wash it. So if your doormat gets dirty over time, you can definitely just run a machine to wash it really easily. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality doormat that allows you guys to use it indoor, outdoor, and also provide you guys all the benefits that I mentioned, that I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, now obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.